Dear students, welcome to the classroom. In last video, we have learned about working of a computer, and in this video, we will learn about hardware and software. So watch the video carefully. It will help you to understand about hardware and software. Hardware. Hardware refers to those parts of a computer which you can touch and feel. It includes all the electronic parts inside a computer and the peripheral devices of a computer. Peripheral devices are the electronic equipment connected by the cable to a computer's CPU box. Some examples of hardware: CPU, monitor, keyboard, mouse, cable, hard disk, and pen drive are examples of hardware. All these work in coordination with each other. You have already learned about the monitor, keyboard, mouse, and printer. Let's discuss the most important hardware component, which is the CPU, also known as the microprocessor. CPU. The CPU, Central Processing Unit, is the main hardware component of a computer. All the processing is done inside the CPU, hence it is called the brain of the computer. It contains three units: arithmetic logic unit ALU, control unit CU, and memory unit MU. Arithmetic logic unit. It handles all the mathematical calculations like addition, subtraction, and logical comparisons like greater than, smaller than, and equal, etc. Control unit. It controls the movement of data. Memory unit. It holds the information on which the CPU is currently working. Software. Software is that part of the computer which you cannot touch or feel. It is a set of instructions given to the computer to do a certain task. Some examples of software are given below. Windows 7 or Windows 10 is an operating system that enables us to communicate with the computer system. Paint is used for drawing images. Notepad is used for typing text. Microsoft Windows logo is used for drawing figures. Calculator is used for doing calculations. So dear students, in this video we have learned about hardware and software. So watch the video carefully. It will help you to understand the hardware and software.